NEET counseling can be confusing. There are so many states, rules that keep changing, and endless cutoffs. Most students get stressed and feel lost in this process. Doctor NEET is here to fix that. India's smartest NEET counseling assistant designed to guide your admission journey with clarity and confidence. With Doctor NEET, track real-time latest cutoffs sorted by state, category, rank, and course. No more guessing about which college you can get into. Use the advanced predictor to discover colleges that match your NEET rank with all the filters you need. Get instant allotment results. You can explore colleges by your rank or score and get live updates on allotments. Create your own choice list. Choose by state or preference. Save it and download it. Your roadmap, your way. Compare multiple colleges based on fees, hostel details, courses, and more data is verified and up to date. Track everything from your custom dashboard, cutoffs, timelines, allotments, links, and latest updates. Whether it's AIMS, JIPMER, or state seats, Doctor NEET helps you choose smart, not random. Join 10,000 plus students. Sign up now and get 50% off. Doctor NEET, smarter counseling starts here. Visit drneet.com.